everyone, this is Danielle here for Felicity Jane, and this is my first video I'm officially putting out for Felicity Jane, because I'm on the creative team now, which is incredibly exciting and also very scary. So I'm going to do a proper unboxing for you today, and this is all from Rebekah. I mean, this is absolutely beautiful kit. This is all sort of autumn, fall, lovely colours, browns and pinks and creams, and oh, it's absolutely beautiful. It's a real stunner of a kit. So yeah, I've just kind of pulled everything out, and then I'll go through it all with you. And then I've got a couple of little extra bits that are available on the Felicity Jane shop. So I'll show you those at the end. But this is kind of the main kit. So I'll just kind of go through the bits and pieces that we've got here. So I'll start with these little vellum hearts, which are absolutely beautiful. I'm not sure if they come through. I mean, you know, I've got a problem with vellum. I'm like obsessed with it. But these absolutely gorgeous little hearts. They've got little polka dots and sort of browns, and oh, look at that one, little black and white one. I mean, they're so gorgeous. I could just, in my head, I can already see like a line of them in a row and then like double stitched through. I mean, how gorgeous are they? Like, look, the little animal print one as well. More polka dots, just gorgeous. And this paper here, all the florals. I mean, oh, and a bit of gingham, cheeky, lovely. Look at that. Ah. So yeah, absolutely gorgeous, really lovely. And you can use them for so many different things. And you know, if you're scared of vellum because it's hard to kind of pin it down because you can't, you know, you can see through, then you know, that's when the staple gun is your best friend. So definitely give that a go. Or you know, you can still use the glue dot and then just pop another embellishment on top, and then you can't see what you've been sneakily doing behind to tack it down. Okay, we've also got these little charms, which are gorgeous. I won't get them out because then they'll become little fluff machines, but you can see that they've got little home today, happy, little flowers, little rainbow. I mean, they're so cute. I mean, you could tie a little bit of thread through these. You could tack them into your little traveller's notebooks. I mean, or make a little layout with them with the little flowers. They're just so sweet. And actually, for sort of those rubber charms, they're not too thick actually. So you know, they could go in at TN without it causing you sort of too much trouble. But if you like your TNs to be a bit chunky, then you know, these are the ones for you. They're so sweet, and I can already see lovely little things in my head that I'm thinking I'll do with those. So they're really cute. These are the journaling cards. So that's just the one that comes with the box. You know, every month you get a little journaling card that comes with the with your order, which is really sweet. So that's really cute. That's a really lovely one. Got more of the florals. Can't get that off. There we go. More of the florals there, and usually, you know, you get the grid or the polka dots on the back of these ones. So that's really sweet. Lovely little flowers, little heart there. That's really cute, and that kind of mustard yellow, sort of almost goldy yellow, which is really pretty. That's really cute. Stripes. I've got a big October there. That's lovely for your project life. That's really sweet. These ones are really fab as well, where you get the little sort of zone there for your date stamp, or any of the stamps really. You know, these are really cute. Or more of that mustard yellow there and a stripe. That's really nice. Oh, hello pumpkin. That's so cute. I mean, this is really lovely. So if you're going to have, you know, putting together your project life with little pumpkin pictures for Halloween and things, then this is when it's going to be really cute. Or your pumpkin spice lattes, if you're obsessed with those, like a lot of people seem to be. That's really sweet. More little florals. That's lovely. Sort of like rusty brown, that colour is. It's gorgeous. Oh, week number. See, so yeah, for project life. That's really sweet. And that's really cute. I mean, look at these pinks. Oh, they just go so well with that rusty brown. Like, that's such a really lovely colour combination there. Really pretty. Let's see what else we got. So we've got a big bowl of die cuts here. So again, you know, always get the kind of floral little die cut bundles, which are gorgeous. Got a little scalloped edge there. More hearts, which are gorgeous. Your little kind of bits and pieces that you can do your date stamping on and just staple those down. That's Rebekah. Isn't she gorgeous? Really sweet. We've got some words as well. We've got a wonderful. I saw some other bits and pieces somewhere. Oh, where did I imagine that? What did I see? Oh well, I'll keep on going through anyway. We've got more little tags there. some little florals, colours, more little florals. These are really sweet. They kind of remind me of like all Keely sort of florals, really pretty. There's 3 of those, I think, because I had this idea in my head of maybe having like little 3 in a row on a little 12 by 12, you know, and like how sweet are they? Just really, really cute. These ones, you know, come poking out from behind your photographs. More little hearts there, and little colours, colour combos. Florals again, pretty hearts. And then these ones, which are really nice, little circle sort of punch ones, that's really sweet. And they've got a whole little colour palette in there knocking around. There's another one, really sweet, lovely smile. Florals, and then little tabs as well, and that kind of animal print. So yeah, really lovely little mix of bits and pieces there. So very sweet. Oops. What else have we got? We've got vellum pocket fronts. So let's see if I can get these out. That noise is not my husband's doing something very strange downstairs. Already had the telly on at like a crazy level, so I had to go down and ask him if he could turn it down. Now he appears to be smacking something against the wall. Like a little notes pouch there. That's really sweet. So you could pop your little journal card in there. I mean, whoops, behind it. There we go, like that. I mean, how lovely is that? Sort of poking through in that vellum. Oh, yeah, vellum's just the best. I'm like in love with vellum. Whoops, okay, so I'm creating chaos. There we go. So that little notes. Another little floral one there, which is lovely. And these are great in a TN, you know, like that's so pretty. And 2 bigger ones there as well. I mean, how beautiful are they? Oh, so sweet. And then equally, you know, you can embellish on the front of them too. Those big hearts, you know, there's no reason why you can't, you know, pop a big heart on the front. So pretty. So yeah, really lovely bits in this kit. Just fab. And look at these stamps. I mean, how pretty are these? We've got love, home, family, beautiful. And then like some of the kind of polka dotty type things in the florals. That's kind of like repetition of the florals paper. And then we've got these little leaves and bits and pieces here, little shoots of leaves. Really gorgeous. The little Rebekah stamp there, which is really cute. And yeah, I mean, just really lovely bits. So you know, a gorgeous stamp set again. I mean, I always look forward to the stamp sets because there's always something absolutely fab in there. I mean, particularly like this little guy here with the tiny little florals. That's really sweet. So yeah, some really lovely stamps. If you like your stamping, you know, you're going to be a happy bunny. These are particularly gorgeous. I mean, utterly gorgeous script, and then in that gold it just pops. So I mean, whatever you put those on, they're going to be absolutely stunning. We've got love, family, home, smile and happy. So some really cute words as well. And you know, they're just going to go perfectly with any photos you've got, really. I mean, just really pretty. I particularly like that smile. It's just gorgeous. So yeah, really lovely puffy stickers there. And then we've got the puffy alphas as well, which are, you know, just a nice, just off-white, but just really simple, but really going to pack a punch when you pop those down, particularly if you're going to kind of use both sets. So, you know, like, I don't know, like my family, say, then you could do the my in this, and then your family in the script, and, you know, you're just kind of mixing up your alphas, and it just looks really nice. If you've got something quite simple, something quite bold, you know, it looks perfect together. And then as usual, you kind of get the little extra little bits with your alphas where you get some little hearts, and there's some little stars there as well. So really pretty. And then we store all the numbers as well, and your hashtags, and then some little quotations there and some dots too. So, you know, a really nice, a nice puffy alpha set there. Right, and then I think that just leaves me with the papers to go through. So, and then I'll do the little add-ons. So again, as we sort of keep saying now, you know, really keep hold of all the packaging bits and pieces. Whoops, because you know, you can punch out of these. You can do all sorts of different things. I'm going to create some little banners from these. You know, because that's just so easy. You know, you can just cut down a centre and then just chop your little arrow shape in, you know, and you've got little banners there that you can use. So I already kind of started the process of that. So yeah, but they're really lovely. You know, you can totally get your money's worth out of everything, and then you've got your little polka dot sort of branding strip there at the top as well, so always make sure to chop those bits off. So yeah, don't chuck them away. We're all about using every little piece you possibly can. So here we go, so we've got the floral here, which is beautiful, and then on the other side we've got this dashed, sort of stitched, almost crisscross, which is gorgeous. Lovely, lovely branding strip there as well, so that's really pretty. Whoops, I've got this lovely wood grain, really soft brown as well, so that's really, really lovely. Nice wood grain there. Because I have seen papers before with wood grain where they're quite dark, and I mean, I find it quite hard to work with a background that's so dark, so, but you know, this is really nice. It's a really soft wood grain, so really nice colour to work with. Whoops, and then we've got the chevron here, which is in all the different colours from the kit as well. So, you know, you've got your pinks in there and your mustard, and that's just a really lovely, like a fun chevron there, because it's quite irregular too. So that's a really nice sheet. This is probably my favourite one from the kit. I mean, how gorgeous are those stripes? Absolutely beautiful, lovely big candy stripes. And then we've got these twigs on the back, which are also stunning, really kind of fine little twigs. And then again with a lovely branding strip there. So, you know, a really nice sheet. This one's also stunning as well, because I love scallops anyway. And there's always going to be like a scallop paper in a Felicity Jane kit. You just know it's coming. But I mean, this is a particularly lovely one. It's sort of slightly, I don't know if you can kind of see, but it's just slightly zigzaggy as well. So it's just a really nice, subtle one. And then we've got this bold stripe here as well in all the colours. You know, that's really pretty. So again, you know, you could chop a section out and have that in your TN on one side, you know, just, or poking out from behind your photos, you know, just beautiful, really, you know, really lovely sheet there with some lovely colours that go really nice together. It's got this, speaking of bold, whoops, we've got this totally lovely and bold leopard print, which I can't separate from the sheet behind. There we go. I get there. Really nice, super bold, yeah, so that's really fab. Again, you know, poking out from behind a little cluster on your photo there, you know, really pretty. You could punch out some circles of this. Just a really fun sheet. And then we've got this very delicate little pinstripe here as well, which is really pretty. Again, in all the colours, with this cute floral branding strip. So that's a really nice sheet too. Whoops. And this one, which is gorgeous. These little bloomy flowers, which are really pretty. I mean, you could fussy cut them. It might be a, you know, a bit of a labour of love, but again, I'm thinking like, you know, a sheet and a TN on one side with your title on the top, you know, would just be gorgeous. Or chopping out little journal cards worth of these, you know, for your project life. There's no reason why you couldn't do that and then just get a little corner punch and curve those corners. You know, this is a really sweet paper. And then we've got this tiny little crisscross underneath, which is really nice too. So very subtle, but you know, really pretty. So that's a really lovely little combo there. Oops. And then we've got your two colour sheets with the scallop on them. So there's that kind of soft rose kind of pink. And then the opposite side, we've got that really subtle one that comes on the candy stripe. So that's a really lovely sort of blush almost pink there. Really nice colour combo there of the two pinks. And then we've got this mustard gold, which is, it's just, it's one of those ones that you kind of need to see in person to see like how beautiful it is, but it's such a deep, lovely colour. Oops. And then we've got that rusty sort of orangey brown on the other side, which again is just gorgeous and probably might not come up so well on the camera, but you know, it's a really gorgeous colour, really rich, you know, fab. So there we go. So that's the papers, and then let's just bring in here now. These are the little add-ons that I have. So we've got the little tiny paper clips, but these are in that mustard yellow as well, and they're so sweet. It's a really lovely colour for those paper clips. I mean, I love these paper clips anyway, but you know, when they do like the sort of special colours, I had the mint ones a couple of packs ago and they were gorgeous, but this is just a really lovely, yeah, really lovely shade of yellow, so they're really sweet. And then this is a little 6x6 of the paper pack, so got little sheets here, so we've got the wood grain again and the leopard print. Oops, got a few of those actually. Oops. Oh, that's funny. I've got, yeah, okay, 3 of each, so there we go. So I've got the floral and the scallop, and then I've got the wood grain, whoops, wood grain and the leopard print there. So Whoops, there we go. So yeah, really cute, 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 cute. It's quite nice to have the variation as well between having the sort of 6x6 and the 12x12. Just because everything is that tiny bit more delicate. That's my cat slamming around. You know, a little bit more delicate than the larger one, but again, so sweet. You know, and you can mix the two, so you could have your sort of smaller version with the bigger version, and just, you know, really, really delicate, really cute. So yeah, lovely colour kit. Just, oh, such a pretty one. So yeah, if you want to get your kits, then hop on over to Felicity Jane's website and sign up and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I mean, I hope you get a lot out of Rebekah. She's I mean, a totally stunning kit. I'm already excited to start playing. So yeah, particularly with the vellum hearts. So there we go. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back again soon with a process video, I'm sure, for showing you how to put together something with all these lovely bits. If you want to subscribe to my channel, then feel free, and I'll be popping up more videos now that I'm kind of on the team and need to be cracking on a bit more. I'll be a bit more consistent. And yeah, and I'll be back again soon. Okay, love to all of you, and I'll see you soon. Okay, take care. Bye.